In front of me is Huawei P Smart 2021, and let me show you how to update apps in this phone. So first of all, you need to reach your app gallery, which is right here. Then, now I am in updates, however, to reach it you need to open Manager, then tap on More apps to update, and now you can see all apps that can be updated. So here it is. Then pick the application that you would like to update and tap on Update right next to its icon. Here you can observe the progress. We can wait until it's done. So at first, the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. And this is it. This is how it works. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.